African star apple, Udara, Agbalumo, depending on what you call it, and block sugar from entering the bloodstream. Yes, it works like Acarbose if you use it correctly. Hello, if you just see me for the first time, I'm Amara, a clinical chemist, metabolic health scientist, and coach. All I do on this channel is share practical tips for reversing diabetes and insulin resistance from an African perspective. If that's a thing to you, consider subscribing and joining this family. According to research, African star apple blocks two enzymes that turn starch into sugar: alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase. Let's do a little bio 101, an interesting one at that. When you eat starchy food like yam, fufu, gari, and the rest of them, your saliva contains an enzyme known as salivary alpha amylase. During mastication, some starch gets turned into sugar right in your mouth. Now, when the food moves through your gut down to the stomach, digestion of carbohydrate ceases in the stomach because of the acidic nature of the stomach. Now, when the food goes down to the small intestine, digestion of starch continues, and the enzyme responsible for turning the remaining starch to sugar is alpha glucosidase. And that enzyme that converts starch to sugar in your small intestine is what the drug Acarbose targets. And what Acarbose does is to inhibit the action of this enzyme, slowing the rate at which starch gets turned into sugar, and of course preventing the rush of sugar from your meals to your blood. Now, our dear African star apple doesn't just hinder this very enzyme, it also hinders the action of the enzyme in the mouth. You can see that African star apple is metabolically powerful. Now, there are 4 different parts of African star apple. We're going to take them one after the other and tell you the part that is most metabolically powerful. You will be surprised. To start from inside to outside. So the first part we're going to look at is the seed cotyledon. That's the white stuff inside Udara seed. Many research studies on animals have proven that this part has blood sugar lowering potentials. But consuming this part can come with some health consequences because this part is quite toxic. So I don't usually advise people to consume certain seeds because of their toxicity, and Udara is one of them. Soursop seed, I worked on soursop seed. That's the first research I did in 2011-2012. I found out that soursop seed has high anti-cancer potentials, but it doesn't have selective toxicity. There is something we call selective toxicity in medicine. That it does not select only cancer cells, it also affects normal cells. So for the fact that some of these seeds can be toxic even to normal cells, I don't usually advise people to eat them. Number 2, the seed coat. That's the part many people enjoy. Some people will just eat the seed coat and leave the rest of the African star apple for you. Mind you that the seed coat contains reasonable amounts of sugar. Despite the fact that it contains antioxidants and enzyme inhibitors, eating too much of the seed coat can cause blood sugar spike, so eat in moderation. Number 3, the pulp. I have an issue, a serious issue with this pulp. If you buy Udara and the pulp does not bite your cheek, if it's not tangy, then the blood sugar lowering effect is reduced. The tanginess is an evidence that the Udara or African star apple or Agbalumo is rich in compounds that will help improve your blood sugar control. So if it's not tangy, by all means, go for tangy ones. Number 4, the pulp coat. This is the part most people discard, but unfortunately is the part that is richest in blood sugar lowering compounds. It has the lowest glycemic index, highest polyphenols and antioxidants, and is the most effective at inhibiting the enzyme that turns starch into sugar in the intestine. So you can see that the pulp coat is the most metabolically powerful. So from henceforth, you should be eating the pulp coat. From my scientific understanding of how Udara works, this is what I recommend if you want to use it to prevent sugar spikes from your meals. Eat the pulp and the pulp coat of 2 African star apples before your meals or during your meals. This can help blunt out sugar spikes from from your meals. Hope you got value from this. Like, subscribe, and share this video with people in your circle. You could be helping someone living with diabetes or insulin resistance. See you in the next one. Catch ya. Bye bye.